What is going on, everyone? In today's video we are going to show you how to buy Ethereum Classic on Coinbase. So what we will do, log into your account on coinbase.com, and after that you will arrive at this page. For now we will select the buy and sell section right on top here and click on it. Now you can select the asset. We would like to buy Ethereum Classic, so tick in ETC or Ethereum Classic, whatever you want, and there it will appear. Select it, and now you can select the wallet which you would like to pay with. For me it's my Euro wallet because I'm living in Europe, but if you live in another country or region, you can select the wallet you would like to use. After that, you can fill in the amount of Ethereum Classic you would like to buy. Let's say 6 euros, select it, and now you can select the purchase frequency. I will leave it on a one-time purchase because I don't want to buy it on a frequently basis. So you can select it also on a daily basis, a weekly basis, twice a month on the 1st and the 15th of the month, and also on a monthly basis, and it will be purchased on the 9th day of the month. So after that you can simply click on preview buy, and it will show some information about the purchase you are going to make. As you can see, I'm using my Euro wallet. I will be in 0.19 ETC, and the total purchase amount of coins will be 5 euros and 1 cent. The Coinbase fee will be 99 cents, and the total amount I'm spending is 6 euros. You can select the option invest weekly. You can cancel it at any time. I will leave it on no because I just want to buy it now and not on a weekly basis. After that, you have checked the information. You can simply click on buy now and you are buying the Ethereum Classic. So, hopefully this video was very helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next crypto tutorial. See you guys, bye bye.